Say hey to the vlog.
Hey to the vlog.
Okay, so what you say I got on my arm?
Heart.
It's a heart on my arm. He said, is that a heart on your arm?
Why?
Touch it.
What?
Okay, y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So we getting ready to go to the park. Y'all already know the vibes. Say hey, dude. And yeah, I'm about to go and take Kim and Charlotte to the park. And I'm about to edit this video while we there. So yeah, I'll check in with y'all once I hold on, y'all. Okay, yeah, y'all, so we're about to head to the park. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Say hey, Char, because I ain't get you on there. Everybody put their seatbelts on, and we're gonna check in with y'all when we make it to the park. What is up, party people? Welcome back to another clip. So I have a few errands to run today. I'm gonna bring y'all on the journey with me. I just finished doing my makeup or whatever. I don't know where this day is gonna take me, but I will be bringing y'all on the journey. Yeah, so I just came out here to check in with y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next clip. I'm ready to leave my daddy house. I heard some vlog. We both got on our shades, y'all. Yeah. I'm about to get ready and head to the restaurant. And yeah, y'all, I'm gonna check in with y'all later. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to head home and I'm about to jam to my music, y'all. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I don't know how many times I gotta tell y'all. Like, at this point, if you haven't subscribed already, then you're a hater. What my girl Roll It Up can't be saying, you are a hater. So yeah, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Okay? Alright, bye. Airplane, y'all. What's up, y'all? I know I look a mess right now, but we're actually gonna be going to the beach today, so stay tuned for the fun and festivities. It's gonna be, I believe, 90 degrees. I got on my jacket because I'm wearing a dress and it'd be cold in these stores, so don't judge me. So yeah, but I just made me a matcha for the win, and I'm about to get the day started, y'all. So stay tuned for all the fun and festivities. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye for now. Y'all, we about to head out to the beach. Alante, say hey to the vlog. You ready to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Let's head out to the beach, y'all. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all once we make it to the beach. Say bye.
Bye.
The monster getting you. Oh my God. He having the time of his life. We go to bike, y'all. Yeah, we just arrived to my daddy's house. We just made it to Hyde Park. So we getting ready to head to the beach, y'all, and yeah. So I'm gonna check in with y'all. We finna pull around. We're leaving my daddy's house now. So I see y'all in the next clip. All right, y'all ready to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Is everybody ready? They hot, y'all. It's hot. So we getting ready to pull around and park at the beach. Deuces. Everybody say deuces. Deuces. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the beach. Y'all know me. Y'all know this is my favorite place to be, right here, right at the lake, chilling, vibing, and they got drinks. I'm coming back. So yeah, y'all, we're about to get something to eat. Shar, how was it?
It was so fun.
See, they had a good time. I had a good time. I can't stop talking about it. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, this was 57 Beach in Hyde Park, if y'all want to come try it out. But I don't recommend coming at night because it might be some rats. But yeah, y'all, okay, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Road to 200 subscribers. What's up, party people? Welcome back to another clip and happy Friday. So it is my sister's birthday. My sister, my cousin, and my manager. Happy birthday to my sister, happy birthday to my cousin, and happy birthday to my manager. We got some clears, y'all, the little cute little rapper. This one is my manager. My sister. And then this one is my cousin. So, well, yeah, my cousins. So yeah, we got gifts going on, we got birthdays. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and then I'll just check back in with y'all.
And I'll be worried about him, yeah. Next time you know the truth, I think he's just the man for you, yeah.